It's amazing. I won a dancing competition here on YouTube. Amazingly, I just submitted my AI dance video, and guess what? That was how I got lucky and I got rewarded for my effort. Sometimes you just show up, even if it looks like you don't stand a chance. You never know what is going on in the back end.
I'm going to reward her with 100,000 naira because she never begged for anything. And not just that we made one video, she made a second. Now that is effort. That is effort I can relate to.
Shout out to Madam Goldie. I am so excited. I'm grateful. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I was able to create the dancing video. I'll share with you guys the workflow. Also, I will share with you guys the plans I have that could be of benefit to you guys. So please watch till the end. What I'm about to say may be of impact to you. So please let me know if you are interested. Thank you so much. Hey guys, welcome to another interesting video. My name is Glory Rex. I'm a content creator, spoken word poet, movie audio editor. I am very excited to come back to your screens and share with you guys another interesting conversation. Today's video is going to be a lot more interesting because I'll be talking about my work process and how I was able to achieve this amazing lady dancing here on the screen. But before I get into that, my returning subscribers, you guys have really been amazing, super supportive. Thank you so much for being with me all the way. And those see me for the very first time, please enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoy what you have seen so far, please subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. The whole idea is just to build a community that we get to share with each other. For those that are wondering why should you subscribe to my channel, I create interesting videos. I like to talk about information. I try to educate and entertain you guys in several of my content. I like to say you should subscribe because you don't know the one I will post that will be of interest to you. The whole idea is that we are all informed. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot inspired this particular video. First and foremost, I want to show gratitude to this particular amazing lady.
There was one out of 200 million potentials. There was one great lady, Glory Rex, I think that is her name. She has never begged me for money. She has always followed my page, and she made the challenge very lovely, and I will post it right here. I told her like, oh, it's lovely, but please, can you send me an actual video with you dancing? But I still did not specify not AI, although it's in the description. If you read, you would have noticed. So she sent me another video, which is completely awesome. And I was excited, but I thought she had read the description that it cannot be an AI video. So she came back again with another one, but with her image this time. And I was so happy because I'm like, you know what, regardless the effort, I'm so grateful for her effort. So I had in mind that she was anyway going to win a prize.
So based on my research, Madam Goldie is a content creator. She's an amazing and a very talented visual artist. I was so impressed with some of her things I saw online, and I was blown away with the level of creativity and intentionality. Apart from the fact that she's a very skillful painter, she's also an influencer as well. And she's one of the bold voices speaking truth to power here in Nigeria. So far, so good. I applaud the effort of everybody working together to make our nation great again. I'll drop our social media platform here on the screen for you guys to go check her out. Please also patronize what she does. Thank you, ma, once again. I really appreciate you, and this video means a whole lot to me. So that being said, let us get to the next part of this conversation. For the first video I submitted for this particular competition, I created this particular amazing lady you can see here on the screen with Comfy UI, and to make her dance, the AI platform I used was Verse, that's to make her dance. Then I used DaVinci Resolve to edit the dance to sync with the beats. After that was done, for my own choice, I just went on CapCut to just use a preferred text just because that was what I wanted. So far so good. That was how I got this particular video you guys can see here on the screen. So let us talk about the second video I submitted, which was an image of myself. So what I did was that I went on ChatGPT, uploaded an image of myself, got this particular character, then animated it on Verse, took it to DaVinci Resolve to sync the dance to the beats. At the same time, do the same thing I did, take it to CapCut to just put my preferred text. So that was what exactly happened. For those that have reached out to me offline and asked me how I was able to come up with this particular dance video, this was exactly my work process. So that being said, I hope you understand and you have an idea and you can definitely create yours, of course. That was how that particular competition favored me. She said I should go and buy something nice for myself and enjoy myself.
Now let her go get herself some nice lunch and do something nice for her Sunday tomorrow, okay? My darling, you get 100,000 naira because you deserve it. And God knows that when in the future I get plenty money, I will sponsor you again. But say amen, oh. Because start praying for me because I love effort.
When I got the money, I was so grateful and I extended my gratitude as well. I was excited and grateful because honestly, I thought my video would not stand a chance, knowing that Nigerians are very creative people. Somebody would have done something. But I told myself, no matter what, at least the effort counts. And thank God my effort was rewarded. So ladies and gentlemen, how did I spend the money? All protocols duly observed. I'll share with you guys 2 things I did significantly to remember this particular effort of mine that was rewarded. She said I should buy myself lunch. I said, okay. So at least I had an amazing meal, which I cooked myself. I was so grateful to have this amazing meal. So secondly, I had to buy gifts for my students because for those that do not know, I have been training people on how to use AI, and all of that is being self-funded because I buy huge amounts of data to be able to have my students offline and online, and it has really been amazing. I like to reward people's efforts. When people answer questions or do assignments, I just get them gifts just to encourage them to keep showing up in class like I always do. For those that do not know, I started teaching people how to use AI. I teach these classes for free, and I even started the online version. I just teach people these things based on passion. And what exactly prompted me to start doing that? I'll give you guys the gist. First and foremost, I woke up one early morning and that thought dropped in my head, and I said, okay. I started doing it little by little. I started by training the kids in my neighborhood. I moved to training their mothers. Then I now started training people online. Interestingly, I have learned a whole lot in this process. It has opened my eyes to a lot of possibilities. I even discovered that there is a school in Asia that the students in class have an AI classmate. I'll share with you guys that briefly. For those that are interested, you can go watch more.
Shown on the monitor is a generative AI chatbot called Saya, a virtual classmate for children in this 4th grade class.
For those that are interested, you can go watch more and just share your thoughts with me in the comment section. So this is my opinion. I feel like the way the world is going, it is getting more tech savvy. And if people are not stepping up to this, at some point they may get left out. Still on this AI class, I am also planning to train mothers above 40. I'm talking 40, 50, 60, even 90. 100 if possible. I am planning to make this class dedicated for them. I have a whole lot I'm doing behind the scene, doing my research. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment section or send me an email. I'm going to display it here on the screen. Also, I'll drop it in the description box as well. I want our mothers not to be left out, and that is the reason behind this. Hopefully, I am just excited and grateful that I have a community that I'm building, that I believe we're going to grow into something beautiful. We are leaving no one behind. Yes, people may not be able to 100% understand how AI works, but it's going to be a journey. By the time we start having these conversations, people are getting more and more interested, because this is what I've observed. Some older people tend to feel like, oh, they don't want to get involved. All these things, we're just pressing computer up and down. But they fail to realize that the minute you seclude yourself from the society leaves you behind. And this is a situation where this AI thing is here to stay. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the red cute subscribe button. Turn on post notification. When I post another video, you get instantly notified. If this video has been of inspiration in one way or the other, comment below. Also, if you want to join my free AI class, send me an email. It is gloryrexmedia@gmail.com. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until I come your way again, have an amazing day. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you.
Glory Rex loves her YouTube subscribers and is grateful to have them. Through the highs and